Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open practice arena and full practice arena guide. So that's quite easy. Very first thing we need to do is to just from the main menu we need to head over to learn to play. Once that open, just go to the option practice arena. So guys, this is our practice arena. Right now you need to learn some keys. Let's say you wanna add more players to the ground. For that you need to press X on Xbox and square on PlayStation in order to add more players to the ground. Okay, let's say you wanna add more players of other team in the ground. For that you need to press Y on Xbox and triangle on PlayStation. They'll allow you to now put players of the opposition team like this. Just hit X on Xbox and square on PlayStation in order to add their players. If you wanna remove the players, for that you need to highlight the player by using the left stick and just hit B on Xbox and circle on PlayStation. Like this you can just remove all of the players whomever you wanna remove. And similarly, if you wanna move the players, for that you can just select the players by using your A key on Xbox and cross key on PlayStation, and you can just move the player like this. If you wanna remove the ball, you can select the ball by using A key on Xbox and cross key on PlayStation and just put the ball wherever you want. To start the practice, you need to hit option key and the practice will begin. So if you wanna access more options including like free kicks and all, for that you need to like hit the start key or menu key and you will see window like this. Here you have the option for free kick. If I select that, now they'll allow us to like take the free kick. You can just take that from wherever you want to take. Okay, like this. And yeah, here you can see the window for free kick. Now let's say you want to take the penalty. For that you again need to do one thing, just get into this square, and here we have the option to take the penalty. So this is exactly how you can like take free kicks and all. Also here you have the option for practice match. You can just select that and they'll just start the practice match for you. Also if you want to change the camera angle, there is option for camera angle as well. You can just change the camera angle to whatever you like. Okay, and to save these changes, just hit start key and you can see that the camera angle has been changed. Also if you want to play from the opposition side, you can just go to the option select sides, and right here you can just change the team. Okay, just save this and you can see that I'm now able to play with the opposition team. Just in case if you wanna increase the difficulty, you can just increase that from here. You can go with professional, world class, legendary, beginner. It's up to you, whichever you like, you can go ahead with that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.